Is your LG portable air conditioner blowing cold air intermittently, followed by warm air? This is a common issue that many users experience, and understanding the root causes is essential for effective troubleshooting. Several factors can cause this temperature fluctuation problem. The most common causes include incorrect mode settings, ventilation problems, dirty filters, ice buildup on the coils, and refrigerant issues. Dirty filters are one of the most frequent culprits. When filters become clogged with dust and debris, they restrict airflow, causing the unit to overheat and cycle between cold and warm air. Ice buildup on the evaporator coils is another common issue. When ice forms on the coils, it blocks proper heat exchange, causing the unit to blow warm air until the ice melts. Among all these potential causes, the most common and easily fixable issues are mode settings and sensor problems. These two areas should be your first focus when troubleshooting temperature fluctuations. Understanding these potential causes is the first step to restoring consistent cooling performance. In the next section, we'll dive into specific troubleshooting steps for mode settings and sensor issues. The first step in troubleshooting your LG portable air conditioner is checking the mode settings. Many cooling issues stem from incorrect mode selection or temperature settings. First, ensure your air conditioner is set to cool mode. Use the mode button on your remote to cycle through the available options until cool mode is selected. Next, set the desired temperature using the up and down arrow buttons. Remember, the display shows your target temperature, not the current room temperature. If mode settings are correct but the problem persists, check for error codes on your display. Error codes help identify specific sensor or system malfunctions. The CH02 error code specifically indicates a temperature sensor issue. This is one of the most common sensor problems that can cause your AC to blow cold, then warm air. When you encounter error codes or persistent issues, try resetting your air conditioner. This simple procedure can resolve many sensor and mode-related problems. Follow these 3 simple steps. First, turn off the air conditioner using the power button. Second, unplug the unit from the wall outlet. Third, wait at least 3 to 5 minutes before plugging it back in and turning it on. If error codes persist after resetting, or if you encounter unfamiliar error messages, consult your user manual or contact LG support. Professional diagnosis may be needed for complex sensor issues.